Hi guys, how is it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'd like to share you guys with some tips on how to make a system backup for recovery. At first, let's talk about some background information about system backup and why do we need to back it up. First, come to the importance of backup and recovery. System backups are crucial, even though they might not be something you use every day. However, when the unexpected like system error or computer failure happens, having a reliable backup allows you to quickly restore your system to its optimal state. This not only saves you valuable time, but also spares you from the stress and effort of dealing with a major system failure. In the long run, it's an investment that can save you a significant amount of money, time and effort. The second part, system backup functions. Just as Faust sought to regain his youth through a devil deal, a system backup allows your computer to return to its youthful state whenever it starts to slow down or encounter problems. By restoring from a backup, you're essentially turning back the clock on your system, bringing it back to its prime condition without having to start from scratch. It's a powerful tool that ensures you can swiftly recover from setbacks, keeping your digital life running smoothly and efficiently. Next, let's find out the best time to back up your system. You'll never forget, when you first get your computer, it runs smoothly, like the youthful Faust, full of power and energy. But after several months, though your system still works well, it's not as fast as it once was because you store a lot of software programs and files. And this is the best time to back up your system, capturing important files while performance is still solid. However, if you wait until your computer slows down significantly, you may regret not backing up earlier, and your computer is cooked. At that point, reinstalling the system could mean losing files, more like the desperate deal with the devil, losing everything to get youth age. So that's why timely backups are so important. Now, let's move to some methods to back up your system. Fortunately, we have various ways to back up your system, whether it's using built-in tools, some soft cloner, or other software. You can make a devil deal and restore your computer to its youthful state. Alright guys, this is all the content of this video, and in the next video, I'll cover the detailed steps for each method. If you want to unlock the secret of eternal youth for your PC, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and keep close touch with this series. And don't forget to like and share. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.